Hey guys, Billy Campbell here with Hawg Power Sports. I'm going to go over a cart that we just got done modding, and again, this one's already sold. To be honest, I was going to take this one home, and it was going to be my demo cart for a little bit until we get some new D5s in. But anyhow, I'm going to run over it real quick. Seems like every time we put these 27-inch crawler tires on, they just go right out the door. But this time we actually paired them with the mods wheels. Now, these are going to be 14-inch wheels, just like the stock ones, but they're just going to have a little different flair with it. We really like that with this what they call Arctic gray here. With that all the way around, we got small thing we did, just move the antenna to the outside. I mean, it just made more sense. It looks better in our opinion anyways. Brown seats, always classic. Everybody loves them, can't get enough of them. So we did brown seats all the way through. But this time we changed the steering wheel up, and it has a little black accent in the wood grain here, which totally ties the cart in. Went ahead and put the Evolution symbol right back in the center. Now this is a 4-speaker setup. So this is going to be wet sounds, 2 in the front and the traditional holes that the factory carts come with. We've got also 2 more under here. And then we ran that with a 4-channel amp. It's going to pretty much max that amp out. We came back here, added another 8-inch sub. We found that the 8-inch subs really have a lot better sound than the 6s. We just weren't getting all of the sound we wanted to out of the 6, and the 8 is really to the point that you want to turn it down some. So super awesome for that. This is the first 6-passenger that we've lifted up. Of course, this was a Forester, or is a Forester, just customized here. Other than that, we kind of left the rest of it the same. No light kit on this one. The buyer didn't want one of those. Just wanted to keep it very simple with just the tires, rims, seats, stereo. But other than that, he's ready to jam out and ride in style. This particular car is actually going out to Tybee Island, so if you're out that way, you'll see it. Come let us know if we can do something like this for you here at Hawg Power Sports. We can build them really any which way you want. Seems to be the trend, is kind of a lot of the way this cart's set up. But Hawg Power Sports and hawgpowersports.com here in Savannah, Georgia.